think the goats are kind of playful. It's chilly. Rained a good part of the morning. Those two little knuckleheads are happy. And then you've got 3 over there. I had that cedar beam that I cut. I was going to use it for a post for a barn, but it's half rotted on half of it, so I just decided to just make a little teeter-totter for the goats. But babies seem to love it. They're little climbers, I'll tell you that. They are happy. The other 2 babies are in the little red barn over there, staying out of the wind. Pretty happy little twerps. These guys are only 2 days old right here. The last one's born. Last baby goats that we're gonna have here this year. We only had 4 pregnant ones. Hi, Skinny Minnie. They're happy little goats.